How to burn fat and build muscle. At the same time, most people think you have to choose between burning fat or building muscle, but you can do both at the same time. In this video, I'll break it down step by step. The science of body recomposition. Burning fat and building muscle at the same time is called body recomposition. Instead of just losing weight or gaining muscle, you're improving your body's fat-to-muscle ratio. Muscle burns more calories at rest. Fat loss happens in a caloric deficit, but muscle growth needs enough protein and resistance training. The key is balancing calories, protein, and training. Nutrition, the most important factor. Your diet controls everything. Eat too little and you'll lose muscle. Eat too much and you'll gain fat. The goal is balance. Protein is key. Eat 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight daily. Caloric deficit should be small. A 200 to 300 calorie deficit helps burn fat while keeping muscle. Eat protein before and after workouts for better muscle retention. Training. The right way to lift lifting weights keeps muscle while burning fat. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench press, and pull-ups. Use progressive overload by increasing weights or reps over time. Train 3 to 5 times per week, but avoid overtraining. Muscles grow during recovery. Cardio and fat burning. How much? Cardio burns fat, but too much can lead to muscle loss. LISS cardio, walking, cycling, is best for fat loss without losing muscle. HIIT is effective but should be limited to 1 to 2 times per week. Avoid excessive, long-duration cardio if you lift heavy. Recovery. The secret weapon: muscles grow while recovering, not in the gym. Poor recovery slows fat loss. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Manage stress. High cortisol levels make fat loss harder. Take 2 to 3 rest days per week to avoid burnout. The blueprint for success. Here's the step-by-step plan to burn fat and build muscle. Eat high-protein meals and keep a small caloric deficit. Strength train 3 to 5x per week with compound exercises. Do smart cardio, not too much. Get good sleep and manage stress. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fitness tips. Comment below. What's your biggest struggle with fitness?